Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to draw tangent lines at different areas on the graph. So let's just take a point, let's say this point here at -3. The way that I draw the tangent line is put a dot next to it very close and then connect. The tangent line should follow the graph, the trend of the graph around that point. So if I have a smooth graph like this, the tangent line should follow the graph as this tangent line does here. So if I'm looking at the slope of this tangent line, this is a negative slope, maybe about -1. Just eyeball it like that. Now if I take a point up here, again I can draw a point very close to it on the left side and connect those 2 points, and that's my slope. Or I can take a point on the right side of the green dot and connect. If you notice, both tangent lines kind of overlap there, right? So the tangent line looks like this, again following the slope of the line. A tangent line that shows up in this class a lot is the horizontal tangent line. So let's see, how do I identify that? So if I'm looking here, right, again, each of these points have a slanted slope because the graph is smooth, and so the slope of the tangent line will follow the trend of the graph. So these are slanted tangent lines. So if I get closer and closer to this local max, you notice that the slopes of the tangent lines become less steep. And so if I get here for this purple dot, let's take a point to the left, really close, and if I connect those two, I can see that's a horizontal tangent line there. So to identify horizontal tangent lines, you need to see where the slope of your graph becomes less steep, and usually it happens at local min or local max. So for example, here this is a local min. If I take this point here and take a point on the left or on the right, doesn't matter which direction, and then connect those points, again the tangent line is horizontal, so it has a slope of 0. If I'm looking at this portion here, these are again negative slopes because the graph is decreasing. So if I draw a line that follows the graph, those are decreasing lines that have negative slopes, and then they become less steep. So if I'm looking here at this point, again, when I connect, it's kind of horizontal, and then if I continue to the right, it starts to be slanted. It follows the graph, becoming more steep as we go. So at this point here, let me mark this point. At this point here, I can see that the graph decreases to this point, and then here it levels up a little bit. For this point, it's just leveled up here and then starts decreasing again. So then the graph will have a horizontal tangent line here as well.